Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to plan for retirement using Mint. Mint is a free online personal finance tool that helps you track your spending, create a budget, and set financial goals. To start planning for retirement, follow these steps. First, sign up for a Mint account and link all your financial accounts, including your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments. This will give you a complete picture of your financial situation. Next, set up your retirement goal in Mint by clicking on the Goals tab and selecting Retirement. You will be asked to enter your current age, retirement age, and the amount you want to have saved by the time you retire. Mint will then calculate how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. You can adjust this amount based on your individual circumstances. It is essential to be realistic about how much you can save each month, as this will help you stay on track. Consider contributing to a tax-advantaged retirement account such as a 401k or IRA, as these accounts offer significant tax benefits that can help your savings grow faster. To maximize your retirement savings, take advantage of any employer matching contributions to your 401k or other retirement accounts. This is essentially free money that can add up over time. Additionally, consider automating your retirement savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your retirement account. This way, you will ensure that you save a fixed amount regularly, without having to think about it. Mint also allows you to track your investments and monitor your progress towards your retirement goal. You can adjust your investment portfolio as needed to ensure you are on track to meet your goal. It is crucial to review and adjust your retirement plan regularly to ensure you are still on track to meet your goal. This will help you make any necessary adjustments to stay on course. By following these steps and using Mint to plan for retirement, you can create a clear plan and stay on track to achieve your retirement goals. Remember to be patient, disciplined, and consistent in your approach, and you will be well on your way to a secure and comfortable retirement.